The Horticulture Lighting Group HLG 600 Rspec delivers extremely efficient light output that rivals traditional high-intensity discharge fixtures while drawing significantly less power. Its full-spectrum white and deep red blend provides strong performance from early vegetative growth through heavy flowering, giving plants dense, healthy structure and color. Coverage is excellent for a medium-sized indoor garden, with even light spread that reduces hot spots and helps keep canopy development uniform across the entire tent. The built-in dimmer lets you dial the power from seedling to harvest, so you can match intensity to plant stage without constantly raising or lowering the fixture. A passive cooling design keeps operating noise essentially silent and helps manage heat, making it easier to maintain stable temperatures in enclosed grow spaces. Using high-quality Samsung diodes on robust quantum boards and being designed and assembled in the United States, this light feels like a long-term, professional-grade investment for serious growers.